今日要分享嘅咧就係 The Editor 6，係嚟自2023年 Past Paper and Simple Tree Section。第一題 The possible relationship between you and I。首先咧，考評局係要求咧我哋要 locate 得到佢哋嘅 gender 嘅。You 係一個 women，I 係一個男人 man。留意啦 ，X 係話到俾你聽有一個 romantic relationship 噶啦，咁要寫埋出嚟。然後後面呢度 I learned to lie about my day， 呢一個位有少少嘅 mischief， 有少少嘅 distrust 喺度。OK， 咁所以咧個關係咧都唔係好噶啦，呢個都要講埋出嚟。到最後呢度講埋段關係依家點樣。His thought grows stout while she goes on and on about how lovers must stay true。呢度咧好有趣嘅，佢係對翻上面呢度，佢不斷成日講大話，然之後咧，但係佢女方咧就話你一定要係真誠啲啊咁樣。OK， 呢度就有個 conflict 啦。OK， 好常見嘅喺關係之中。咁相信如果係 female candidate， 所以應該係易 get 啲嘅，係啦。男都可能要壓力少少啦，要有多少書先至 get 得到，女仔可能一 get 就明啦呢位。到最後呢個 imagery 把劍啦，其實係講緊 Lord Henry 啊嘛，咁 Lord Henry 其實象徵住 I 啦。OK， 咁所以咧就係段關係 The relationship between you and I are getting dull, are getting boring, are withering。 OK， 枯謝緊啊 withering。好，第二個俾咗大家睇個 official marking scheme 先，係啦，睇一睇。因為我知大家都未必有 access 㗎，咁所以就可以 cap 圖先，或者 WhatsApp 我都可以 scan 俾你。好，第二題 Discuss the speaker's feeling about romance novels。咁佢就係提過一本書嘅啫。The Flame of Passion， 咁就係講 Lord Henry 同埋一個 girl。OK，Lord Henry 我諗聽個名都應該係 medieval period 嘅，係關於 OK 係關於騎士精神 courtly love， 係關於 chivalry。 OK， 呢個就好重要 chivalry 係好傳統嘅一啲愛情觀啊。咁好明顯，但係嗱，依家係解緊個 poem 啫，係啦，我一陣再解答啊。但好明顯 I the dramatic speaker doesn't think so，doesn't really think that the traditional love is a preferable thing。 好啦，咁咧你要留意嘅咧就係、首先咧一開始咧佢係趁 The Editor 走咗嘅時候咧先至睇得書嘅。咁呢個你要解釋下啦，係一個 secret habit、addiction 或者 obsession 都得。然後啦，佢睇書嘅原因咧就係因為 Promises of Ithy Wed。OK， 呢度有少少 Shakespearean English 喺度嘅，即係我同你結婚啊 ，I marry you Ithy Wed 係啦。然後咧呢個咧係幾難嘅，我覺得，因為咧你要講埋咧 dramatic speaker I 係好中意呢個結構嘅 Lord Henry gets the gold。呢個咁傳統史詩般咁嘅寫法 Lord Henry gets the gold。 咁佢好中意 traditional chivalry 嘅 OK chivalric love 或者 medieval love love 都可以嘅。後面呢度grows stout 咧 grows stout 我哋呢度要解釋成為咧 literally 嗰個類別啊 romance 已經變得枯燥啦，好無聊。然後咧因為太無聊啦，咁所以佢就睇唔掂本書啊。I closed the flame not even halfway through， 佢根本睇都睇唔晒，因為佢對 佢睇書嘅同時間咧，佢都拍拖，然後越拍拖咧就越發現佢自己喺個 trap 度啦，已經就唔係想自己，就唔係喺一個自己想要嘅愛情世界入邊。到最後咧就發現啦 ，romance 傳統嘅 chivalric love 係好 limiting，OK，因為咧佢一定要係 truthful。咁咧，但係好明顯 I 咧係有啲 secrets 嘅，佢唔係好想同佢女朋友講，咁所以咧佢就選擇唔再睇呢啲 romance novels 啊，佢就決定咧自己整一個 ending 出嚟 ，I'll write another ending if I could for you。好啦，咁呢個 basically 係嗰個 literal meaning 啦，就係答 question 2嘅，咁。第3題就比較難少少啦。首先你要知道啦 ，Lord Henry 佢呢個係象徵住愛啦 ，OK。咁佢係想用呢個意象咧 ，Lord Henry gets the girl 去到同佢自己聯繫翻嘅。我諗佢一睇書嘅時候咧，應該就係啱啱識 the editor， 然之後到後尾呢度咧，佢哋就break up 咗啦。咁所以就係反映翻現實嘅感情啦。首先 ，at first 佢起初咧，佢係好中意睇嗰本書嘅，即係代表好中意 editor，OK，obsessed with the editor。但係咧 ，at last 佢就開始有啲 lying 啦，OK，唔可以相信大家啦，咁就導致到關係就變得 boring， 最後。令到佢想揾一個 find a new way to love for themselves， 佢就揾一個新嘅方法去到愛，係啦，呢個就係第3題嘅答案啦。咁大家可以望一望先啦。大家鍾意嘅話咧，就俾個 like 啦。然後我哋都有唔同嘅 courses， 我哋咩文本都教，係 Unseen Poetry 都有教，都有講3個鐘就包你睇識晒所有 Unseen Poetry。好，我哋下次再見。